just now. A young man in the jungles of Southeast Asia, with just a plastic bottle, to catch a bird. Let's see how he made this trap. First, he cut off the bottom of the plastic bottle. Then he made a door out of cardboard. First, he used a lighter to burn the hot melt stick. Then he applied hot melt glue to the cardboard, and glue it to the plastic bucket. Next, we put 2 sticks in the ground, to hold the bucket in place, and put another stick on top of it. Tie the ends with a string. Poke 2 holes in the bucket. Tie the bucket to the stick with a wire. Prepare an elastic bamboo stick underneath. Stick it in front of the bottle. Use a knife to make holes in the top and sides of the bucket. Attach a string to the long bamboo stick. Thread the string through the holes at the top. Then tie a small wooden stick. Use a tree branch to hold the stick up. Thread the other end of the rope through the cardboard. Tie a small stick and knot the trap. Let's try the sensitivity first. Throw a branch in. The door closes instantly. Now rearrange the trap. Spread some bait inside and outside. Then the guy hides a short distance away and observes. In a few moments, a little bird sees the food and comes and throws itself into the trap. As you can see, the success rate of the trap is very high. Finally, the guy released the bird. To remind everyone to protect animals. Alright, if you like it and follow it. We'll see you next time.